Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Shippo account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed with your email address and password if you haven't logged in already. And after using your credentials, you will be logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, from the home page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. From the settings page, scroll down and underneath account, click on profile. Now, from the profile page, you will see your password section. Click on the change password button and now you will be allowed to change your password. Just type in your current password that you use to log into your Shippo account within the current password box, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. You will then need to type in this new password once again for confirmation underneath within the confirm new password box, and after entering all of these, click on the save button, and now your password will successfully be changed on your Shippo account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.